Hi Year 12s. Today we will look at measures of centre for continuous random variables. Like the discrete random variables, the measures of centre that we will use are the mean, the median, and the mode. First we will look at the mean. The mean is the expected value that will occur from the probability distribution. We can define the mean of the continuous random variable for the probability density function as the integral of x times f of x over the range of infinity to negative infinity. For most of our functions, the probability density function will be equal to 0 for most of the domain. For example, a long jumper has 0 chance of jumping 100 metres and will most likely have his results between 2 and 8 metres. There, if f of x equals 0 for all but the range a to b, then our expected value integral is x times f of x over the range of a to b. Now we will look at the median. The median is simply the middle value of the probability distribution. Given that we have a probability function, we are able to solve the equation of the integral of the function f of x over the range of negative infinity to the variable p for a given percentage q. If we let q equal 0.5, then we can solve for p to get a median value. We can also substitute q for other values, such as 0.9, to get the range of the whole 90th percentile. Also, we only need to perform the integral over the range of our density function. Therefore, we can change the negative infinity value for the bottom end of the range of our probability function. Finally, we will look at mode. The mode is the most common value that occurs in the function and is not actually a measure of centre. In order to find the mode, we need to find the maximum of the probability density function. As soon as we know we need to find a maximum, we know that we need to find a derivative of the function and solve for 0. Then, if the gradient is positive prior to the turning point and negative after, we will have our maximum point. Let's now try question 8 from the 2014 Exam 1. Here we have a function over the domain of 0 to infinity, and we need to find the median value. So we use our median formula, which is the integral of 1/5 of e to the negative x on 5 over m to 0 equals 0.5. So first, we follow our exponential integration rules, which is to divide the whole function by the power to get negative e to the power of negative x on 5 over m to 0 equals 0.5. This gives us negative e to the power of negative m on 5 minus negative e to the power of negative 0 on 5, which equals 0.5. Then we group all the non-m terms on one side to get e to the power of negative m on 5 equals 1 minus 0.5. Then we take logs of both sides. And then, using our log laws, we know that log of a half is equivalent to negative log of 2. Then we find m by multiplying both sides by 5 and cancelling out the negatives. This gives us a final answer of m, which is the median, equals 5 log of 2. This is a tricky question as it relies on our understanding of continuous variables, integration, and log laws. It is another good example of why we need to know all of our topics well to answer the final exam questions. Good luck with your studying!
Click here to try and find the Engage Wiki, or click here now to see the next video. And now I need my broom.